the first part of the WorldKar's framework. This is the first video of probably the next few years of videos showing how to build a WorldKar. We're going to start out by showing how to assemble the frame and then how to put parts on the frame after that. So we'll start out by preparing the surface of these tubes for welding, and for that we're going to use a heavy-duty grinder. This grinder has a real heavy wire wheel on it, and that's enough to clean up these metal spots. Okay, now that we wire brushed the areas we're going to weld, we're going to put a center mark on these tubes, which is 67 inches. These tubes we cut to 134 inches, which will be the length of the frame. I'm putting 3 spreaders on these tubes, one on each end, and then one in the center. And as we put these together, we're going to put a little bit of positive camber on the tubes, which will give us a little bit of an arcing effect, and that resists bending of the frame later on when we put everything together. Put anywhere from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch of camber on these tubes. Okay, so we've set up a 3/8 inch piece of aluminum stock to act as our camber gauge. Set that up in the center, and we easily pulled the tubing down on the two ends to get that 3/8 of an inch curve right in the center. So we'll go ahead and weld up the center, then get the ends, and that'll complete the first of 4 tubing frame members. Right now we're just putting 3 spreaders in each one. Later on we'll put the diagonals in once we know where all the other parts are going in the frame. This is a 10-inch frame, total of exactly 10 inches in height. That'll give us plenty of room for batteries, hydraulics, whatever we're going to put into this frame member. Most of the working stuff will go in the frame.